Hi everyone, it's Christine Jackson here with the marketing department, bringing you this week's Take 5, episode 12.
Hey guys, this is Josh Hall. I'm here in one of our first fields of sweet corn. We just started harvesting this week on Tuesday and have harvested every day since. We'll probably harvest about 6 days a week over the next 6 to 7 weeks. And we have about 350 acres this year. We grow bicolor corn, yellow and white. Within those different colors, we grow several different varieties, probably about 20-25 total. Everything is going really well this year. These next 2 weeks are very important to harvest as much as we can of good quality corn for the week of for the 4th of July. So we look forward to a great season, and we've certainly got off to a great start. Thank you.
Hey, good afternoon. This is Robert Clifton out here in Pillion today, and spoke with several of our team members in maintenance, and everything with the new dipper system is coming along well. They're learning new things about it every day, along with the hydro cooler, making necessary tweaks and improvements. So it's definitely a work in progress, but already seeing some good benefits already, and I think the whole team's excited for the potential as this project keeps progressing and improving over time. So outstanding job to everyone involved in the dipper project, along with the hydro cooler. Pretty remarkable time frame and an effort that was put into it. So we will continue to update on that project. In the meantime, keep on.
Everyone, this week we had the opportunity to participate in a virtual show for United Fresh. While we didn't get to go and see our customers face to face, we had the opportunity to still communicate with them via this virtual show. We were able to show them our portfolio of products and communicate with any potential new customers. While this was a new experience for all of us involved, it could potentially be the new way we attend produce shows. So it will be exciting to see how this works in the future. Thank you.